welcome. If you're new, welcome. If you came back, welcome. My name is Friencine, and on this channel I talk about personal finances, whether it's the budget, whether it is getting out of debt, whether it's saving. And in particular, this video we are going to talk about savings challenges. I hope you like this setup with the dry erase board, because this might be the last video with that setup. Okay, so now I feel like I'm okay. So if you hear me sniffling and coughing and all of that, I'm sick, still have a cold. If you watch my other videos, you'll know I do, but if you didn't, I have a cold. So this video I'm going to discuss a few savings challenges that you may be interested in doing. I just wanted to go through a list. I didn't want the video to be only just my hands. I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to show my face for those that have not seen my face in a while. Hi, I'm Friencine. So the purpose of a savings challenge is to try and challenge yourself to save as much money as you possibly can, because we typically go on with our days spending a whole bunch of money, not really thinking about the money that we're spending. So we're not as conscious as what we could save. So with the saving challenge, you can, take a step back and see what exactly can you put away. Is it worth buying this $5 Starbucks, or can I save this $5 to put towards my future goals? So I came up with a few, not too much, savings challenge that I have seen floating around on the YouTube atmosphere, YouTube's www, and I wanted to just put it all together in one video so that you can look through this video and be like, okay, I can make a pick between which challenge I will do. So as everybody know about the $5 challenge. So the $5 challenge is you save as much $5 as you can, no. The $5 challenge is you save $5 every time you get your hands on a $5 bill. So that would be savings challenge number 1. Okay, so the $5, oh, you can't see up there. Oh, my bad. Okay, so this is not for, say you work retail and you touch like a $5 bill because you're checking somebody out. No, we're talking about your money, not nobody else's money. And then there's also another challenge that is along with the $5 challenge, but you save $5 in intervals. So you start with $5, then the next week you have to save $10, then the next week you save $15, then the next week you save $20, and so on and so forth. You can do that for the whole year, or you can do that for 26 weeks. So there is a YouTuber, I will link her down below. She does this challenge with 5, 10s, 20s, and she has her template. I think if I'm not misspeaking, she's the one that created that challenge. So I will link her down in the description. But that is another rendition of the $5 challenge. That can actually give you more money than just a regular $5 challenge, depending on if you are a cash-based spender, if you do cash envelope stuffings, like if you use cash. If you don't, that can actually hinder you in savings because you need to save the cash. Or, even better, if you're doing the $5 intervals, you can transfer it to your savings account if you aren't a cash spender. So I would recommend the $5 challenge for cash spenders. I really hope that you can see it on this board. Then the other challenge is the $1 challenge. So the $1 challenge, the same way with the $5 challenge, you save $5. No, so you save $1 every time you are in possession of a dollar bill. So if you break a 10 and somehow your change come up to $7, you save that $2. So I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. That looks so small on camera, but in person it looks so big. So then once again we have the rendition of this one. You save so let's say parts 2. So part 2 of that, I really wish you could see that. Part 2 of that, you can also do the same way with the $5 challenge. Save intervals of $1. So, example, you can either do it weekly or by day. So, you can do week 1, you save $1. Week 2, you save $2, and so on and so forth. I don't think you can see that side of the camera. I really hope you appreciate this setup. This took forever. Then now let's go on to something that is a little on the challenger side. So, saving $20 bills. So, every $20 you get in contact with, you save that. Then you can also do any $10 bills that you get in contact with, you save that. Or, so I'm watching a lot of YouTubers at YouTube, as you know. I discovered Mr. Budget, and he saves 1s, 10s, and 5s all together. So if you want to be challenged like him, do that. Do that. Then there is, as we know, the 52-week challenge. So the 52 weeks, so it's basically you are the number of week that we are in. So say for instance, this is the beginning of the year. We are at week 1. We are not really at week 1, but just saying for the example purposes. Week 1, you'll save $1. Week 2, you'll save $2. Week 3, you'll save $3, and so on and so forth until you get to the end of the year, which is the last week of the year, which is 52 weeks. So by then, you should be saving. I'll put the number right here because I really forgot the amount, but I feel like it's like around $1,000 you would save doing this challenge. But it's you have to be on it. Another challenge is the 1 liter challenge. So the 1 liter challenge is basically taking a 1 liter of soda and saving as much as you can. So the rumors are that if you save a 1 liter bottle full of dimes, it would equal $500. So that is another challenge that you can take on. Fill up your old soda bottles, reuse, reduce, recycle, and save it and see how much money you'll get. Because honestly, saving change is really the fastest way to save money, because we don't really think about spending change. So when it adds up, it's no telling how much you can save. If you haven't already watched my 2020 Secure the Bag saving challenge that I will be doing, I also mentioned the penny challenge, the nickel challenge, and the dime challenge. I will put the video on the iCards up top so you can look at it, so I don't have to really reiterate, but just to sum it up, the same way that you save in intervals, these 3 challenges, you would save an interval of a nickel, and it's a daily savings, a nickel, or a dime, or a penny. So it's a daily savings that you would save every day. The way that I do it, I break it up. Once again, I will link everybody's channel down below where I got the information from. And this was from Triple M Crafts. The way that she does it is the way that I'm doing it. She breaks it up where it's a monthly payment for that challenge, where you're not saving it every day, because realistically, sometimes we forget. If the easiest way for you to save money is to break it down into a monthly bill in a sense, do that, because that's what I'm gonna do. And actually, it's been working well so far. I already saved for January. I will give you an updated video on my savings challenge by the end of January going into February. So yes, that's basically it. That's it for this video. I basically gave you 10 saving challenges that you can implement for your 2020 New Year savings accomplishments, savings goals. That's basically it. If you do have any questions, don't be shy to comment down below if I didn't explain anything too well, because maybe I was in a rush or whatever. Don't be too scared to comment down below. Once again, I will have all of the people's information in the description box, so if you want an in-depth video on some of the stuff that I spoke on that was created by a YouTuber on this platform, I will definitely link their video, so that you know I'm supporting them, you supporting me, we support them. Let's pay it forward. You got the little pun. So yeah, so that's basically it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be seeing you in the next video. We will not have this set up again unless you like it, but it was really hard getting this set up. But maybe not. I don't know. I don't know how I'm feeling about this right now, because I really don't think you can see all of this. I don't think you can see this. So we'll take it back to our original setup. Okay, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye.